Sản nông trường này vô sót rồi gì à. Saan Mengh Leiz Saan Mengh.
아무리? Really nào? Không á.
But it's okay here.
You're gonna break it on top. Yeah. And then they're gonna do the military thing and fold it everything.
Thì nói nó phải là sang Tết rồi.
Okay, everyone, go ahead and come and gather closer if you like. Go ahead and gather all this way if you like.
Ladies and gentlemen, if everyone is ready, we'll begin today's committal service with the military honors.
Now it's possible, but I don't believe that he and I ever met. And so unlike you all, I didn't have the pleasure of knowing him for who he was. I wish I did. But I do know something about him. See, he and I served in the same Navy. We wore the same uniform. And we salute and respect the same flag. And I know that there was a time in his life when he decided that his freedom, his country, his family, was worth standing up and fighting for. And on that day, he took an oath. And with that oath, he said to all Americans that I have the watch. And as long as I'm on watch, I will protect you. And he took this oath without knowing what would be asked of him. In essence, he gave himself to the United States government as a signed blank check. And said, here, Uncle Sam, take this and keep America free. Knowing that the cashing of that check could cost him up to and including his very life. And when he was not called upon to make the ultimate sacrifice, he did make the ultimate commitment. And he took the ultimate risk. And for that, America owes him a great debt of gratitude. And the fact that we are gathered here today to mourn his passing, and that we do so in a free country, is that he did his job. And that he did it well. And that makes him one of us, part of our Navy family. And we too mourn his passing. Now in just a moment, we're going to sound taps. We'd like to ask anyone with present or prior military service, whether in or out of uniform, to please join us in rendering the final salute. All others, would you just please place your hand over your heart. And now for all those who are able, would you please rise for the rendering of military honors. Stand up. Please be seated, family.
On behalf of the President, our Director, and all the staff here at the National Center for Education, it's my honor to present the Presidential Memorial Certificate, recognition of your faithful and honorable service to loved ones of this nation. Man, family, truly sorry for your loss.
You hit me, huh? Well, here's one. Here's one. Vừa hết chấp piang ấy vừa ruộng nó ố mày thiên hùng ya to mày mi ruộng thiên to mày lại